Okay, so in the last class we had discussion about a portion of predation, and in the predation we have seen that the predators are very important to regulate the number of prey, as well as they are also responsible for increasing the diversity among the species in the given population. So two examples we have seen, right? One was the example of this pricky pear cactus, right? So introduction of this in the Australia, it occupies the millions of hectare of land because no prey was there. This is an exotic species, right? ये exotic species था, prickly pear cactus. And after the introduction of the cactus eating predator, that is moth, right? Then it was regulated. Okay, so this point suggests, or this example suggests us, yes, the predators are important to regulate the number of the prey. Otherwise prey will make the havoc, right? They will cause the very serious problem in the ecosystem. Okay, second example, again the very nice example, the American Pacific Coast starfish, that is Pigaster, right? Pigaster, when removed from this coastal region, then it is seen that along with that removal, 10 species of the invertebrate also became extinct. Okay, तो ये भी क्या दिखा रहा है हमको? ये दिखा रहा है कि yes, the predators, this is a predator, ये predator है Pigaster, right? So predator is important for the diversity, also to maintain the diversity of species in the population, right? तो ये दो बहुत important और अच्छे examples हैं. This is important for your exams also. Okay. ओके, नाउ हम आज आगे पढ़ेंगे. तो हम यहाँ से अगेन प्रेडेटर को भी कंटिन्यू प्रेडेटर. सो हियर एंजेलिना, कैन यू रीड?
Yes, sir.
यस, स्टार्ट रीडिंग.
If a predator is too efficient and overexploits its prey, then the prey might become extinct, and following it, the predator will also become extinct for lack of food. This is the reason why predators in nature are prudent. Prey species have evolved various defenses to lessen the impact of predation. Some species of insects and frogs are cryptically colored, camouflaged to avoid being detected easily by the predator. Some are poisonous and therefore avoided by the predators. The monarch butterfly is highly distasteful to its predator bird because of a special chemical present in its body. Interestingly, the butterfly acquires this chemical during its caterpillar stage by feeding on a poisonous weed.
Yes, just a minute. See, now what they are saying that if the predators are too efficient, right? I mean, if the predator dominates, right? The prey dominant हो रहा है, तो फिर हमने देखा कि प्रॉब्लम क्या क्या है, right? कि millions of hectares of land has been occupied by the cactus in the Australia, right? But many a times predators are very efficient and they overexploit the prey, है ना? तो इसमें क्या होगा कि prey will become extinct. Over exploit आप किसी चीज को करोगे, so it becomes extinct, right? Or if the prey is extinct, then automatically the predator will also extinct due to the lack of food. उसको मिलेगा ही नहीं फूड, इसलिए ओवर एक्सप्लॉयटेशन दोनों के लिए प्रॉब्लम होगा. इन द लॉन्ग कोर्स द prey will also disappear or will extinct, right? So this is the reason why the predator in the nature is prudent, right? Okay, so to balance between the predator and the prey, the different prey species have evolved themselves with the various, various means to defend themselves, right? So that the predator will not be able to overexploit the prey. Some examples are given in our book, and these are the very good examples and nice examples. They will ask, So first example is some examples. Some species of the insect and frogs are cryptically colored, right? That is camouflaged, right? Camouflaged. Okay, so cryptically colored. I mean, color change कर सकता है. Color change नहीं हम यहाँ पे बोलें. This will be similar in color with the leaf or some part of the stem, so that they can hide in that color. Okay, so this is called camouflage, right? To avoid being detected easily by the predator, right? Like grasshopper. If you see the grasshopper, so the grasshopper, they can hide in the leaf, green leaf or the green stem, right? And birds, they are not able to recognize that yes, the predators are there. I mean, it is very hard to recognize. It is very hard to see the green grasshopper on the green leaf or the green stem. Okay. Similarly, some are poisonous, right? कुछ ऐसे prey होते हैं जो poisonous होते हैं and therefore they are avoided by the predators. फिर predators उसको खाना पसंद नहीं करते हैं. Okay. Some examples, यहाँ पे कुछ उसके example हैं. Monarch butterfly, याद रख जो बहुत बार एग्जाम में पूछा हुआ, राइट? नीट में, बोर्ड में. Monarch butterfly. Monarch butterfly is highly distasteful to its predator. और predator इसका कौन है? Bird है. Because a special chemical present in the body. So monarch butterfly is distasteful, right? Next here point, interestingly, the butterfly acquires this chemical during the caterpillar stage by feeding on the poisonous weed. ये distasteful जो property है कहाँ से आती है? तो caterpillar stage में वो कुछ poisonous weed को खाता है. Due to that they are having distasteful, right? Birds फिर उसको खाता नहीं है इसलिए. So this is a means, right? ये एक तरीका है to balance between the number of predator and prey. So these examples are important. Okay. Okay, next आगे पढ़िए. Please mute your mic. Please mute your mic. I request all the participants. Be careful. Okay, चलो Angelina.
For plants, herbivores are the predators. Nearly 25% of all insects are known to be phytophagous, feeding on plant sap and other parts of plants. The problem is particularly severe for plants because, unlike animals, they cannot run away from their predators. Plants therefore have evolved an astonishing variety of morphological and chemical defenses against herbivores. Thorns, acacia, and cactus are the most common morphological means of defense. Many plants produce and store chemicals that make the herbivore sick when they are eaten, inhibit feeding or digestion, disrupt its reproduction, or even kill it. You must have seen the weed Calotropis growing in abandoned fields. The plant produces highly poisonous cardiac glycosides, and that is why you never see any cattle or goats browsing on this plant. A wide variety of chemical substances that we extract from plants on a commercial scale, nicotine, caffeine, quinine, strychnine, opium, etc., are produced by them actually as defenses against grazers and browsers.
Yes. See, again, सिंपल है बट कुछ चीजें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है यहाँ पे लिखी हुई, जो एग्जाम के लिए आपके बिल्कुल सुपरहिट क्वेश्चन बनता है और पूछता है हर बार, राइट? सो फॉर प्लांट्स, particularly they are talking in this paragraph about the plant. So plant herbivores are the predator, of course. Herbivores are the predator for the plant, and nearly, the data is given, nearly 25% of all insects are known as phytophagous, right? So they are dependent upon the plants, the plant sap, right, or the different parts of the plant, right? So the problem is very severe for the plant, right? Because they are not moving, they are not able to move anywhere. जहाँ पे है plant वहीं पे रहेगा, so cannot run away from the predators, right? एनिमल्स में तो ये चीज है कि चलो वो भाग गया, राइट, यानी यहाँ पे तो ऐसी चीज है नहीं। तो ये क्या करते हैं कि कुछ अदर मीन्स, सम अदर मॉर्फोलॉजिकल चेंजेस, सम केमिकल चेंजेस दे डेवलप इनसाइड देम, राइट। ओके, तो morphological changes we can understand very clearly and very easily, that like thorns in the acacia, cactus, and either there was a modification of leaf or there modification of anything, but somehow they develop thorns so that the grazing animals cannot harm that plant too much. Okay, grazing animals or even insect also, right, they want to be able to harm that particular plant. Okay, so this is the morphological means of the that to increase the number of preys. Another very important example, many plants, they produce and store chemicals, right? They can produce many a times, right? They can produce and store many chemicals, and those chemicals may be poisonous even, right? Those chemicals may be poisonous, may be sticky substances, so that the predator will stick, right? Predator will stick to the plant. Maybe they are not sticking, they are not many a times poisonous, so they inhibit the feeding. Somehow some adaptations are there, they are distasteful, they are not able to digest by the herbivorous animals, right? Sometimes if they digest, then they disrupt the reproduction or even kill it, right? So these are the different effects of the chemicals, right? जो chemicals होती है उसके सब इफेक्ट हैं कि वो डिस्टेस्टफुल लगेगा, स्टिक हो जाएगी एनिमल के, सपोज खाया उसके माउथ में बहुत ईचिंग हो रहा है, तो दे वांट फीड दैट प्लांट नेक्स्ट टाइम। ओके, डाइजेशन प्रॉपर नहीं हो रहा है। ओके, सो दीज आर द थिंग्स, ये केमिकल्स अंदर में होते हैं। तो एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट केमिकल अपने बुक में दिया हुआ है, कैलोट्रॉपिस, आंकड़ों, है ना। ये हम देखते हैं कि नॉर्मली एबेंडन्ड फील्ड पे, जैसे आप रोड साइड में देखो कहीं पे जहाँ पे बहुत कुछ ऐसा काम नहीं हो रहा हो, तो वहाँ पे कैलोट्रॉपिस आ जाता है। सो कैलोट्रॉपिस दे ग्रो, और उसको देखो ग्रेजिंग एनिमल भी कुछ नहीं करता है। क्यों? क्योंकि दे आर हैविंग पॉइजनस सब्सटेंसेस। उसको तुम लीफ को तोड़ोगे, उसके फ्लावर को तोड़ोगे तो मिल्की सब्सटेंस निकलता है, एंड दैट मिल्की सब्सटेंस इज वेरी वेरी पॉइजनस, एंड दैट इज द कार्डियक ग्लाइकोसाइड्स, हाईली पॉइजनस कार्डियक ग्लाइकोसाइड्स, इसका नाम है सी कार्डियक ग्लाइकोसाइड्स। पूछेगा कि कार्डियक ग्लाइकोसाइड्स कहाँ से निकलते हैं, तो ऐसा कार्डियक से नहीं निकलता है, हार्ट से नहीं निकलता है। This is from the plant which is Calotropis. Cardiac glycosides it produces from the plant Calotropis, right? And that's why, और animals को पता होता है कि भाई इसको खाएंगे तुमको ये प्रॉब्लम होगा, क्योंकि उसके जो पेरेंट्स हैं या उसको कभी खाया है, डिस्टेस्टफुल लगा, तो दे आर हैविंग हैबिचुएटेड दैट डोंट ईट दिस प्लांट। ओके, सो द कैटल्स दे नेवर ग्रेज दोज, कैटल्स, गोट्स, जो भी आप ले लो, दे वॉन्ट हैव इट दैट प्लांट, राइट। एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, वाइड वेराइटी ऑफ other chemicals has also been present in the different plants, like nicotine, है ना, तंबाकू, कैफीन, क्विनीन, ये सब हमने पढ़ा हुआ है, राइट। तो ये सभी क्या करते हैं, these are the chemicals which also be a distasteful, or they are not able to digest by the predator, or they are making some other problems, right? So these are not harmed by or these plants are not harmed by the grazing animals or their prey, and these chemicals we use in our daily life, and this is very important, this is having very important commercial uses for us। okay, है ना, निकोटीन, कैफीन, ये सब का हम कॉमर्शियल वैल्यू है हमारे लिए, है ना। ये अच्छा है कि ग्रेजिंग एनिमल्स नहीं खाते हैं, अदरवाइज हमारे लिए खाने को नहीं मिलता ये सब चीज़, है ना। तो दिस इज अ प्रेडेटर, जो हमने सीखा यहाँ पे, दैट्स ऑल अबाउट द प्रेडेटर। ओके, ये सब नाम याद रखना, निकोटीन, कैफीन, क्विनीन, स्ट्राइकीन, ओपियम, राइट, ये सब नाम पढ़े भी हो पहले। तो दीज आर द कॉमर्शियली इंपॉर्टेंट chemicals or the plant chemicals which are produced for their defense, वो अपने डिफेंस के लिए बनाता है, अपने सुरक्षा के लिए बनाता है, बट बाद में फिर बचता नहीं है, हम लोग उसको कुछ ना कुछ यूज कर ही लेते हैं। ओके, सो दिस इज